use this chain to change. This is the circle chain. Compare the two, it's a little bit different. Here, cable chain and the circle chain here. Okay, so we use circle chain. 1, 2. Let's use the 0.3. This is 0.3. We use 0.4. Let's use the 0.4. The 0.4 here. You need, before to confirm which size to use, you see, you need to test if the beads where you can go through both 2 wire, the 3 wire can be go through here. Then let me check. You see, first 1 wire, then now 2 wire. Okay, 2 wire, then we need again third. It's a little bit hard to go slow. Not so much easy to go slow for the sides. Okay. Then we check with 0.3. So 0.6, I think it not work for the Pro. If we put with the 3 piece of the 0.4, it means the hole of the Pro need more than 1 millimeter. Okay, here. Maybe still the 0.3 work. Yeah, 0.3 work. 0.4 too thick. Yeah, too thick. 0.3 I see. 0.4 I check if crystal works. This is a 6 millimeter the crystal. Let's try. Use the 0.4. So most use of the technique is 0.3. Here. Go slow. Here another one. Okay, for crystal it's okay. Crystal is okay. So this way, for crystal is okay. For Pro is not work. Yeah, Pro size of the hole always be smaller than crystal. Hello, Mary. Hi, Simon. Happy to see you. So got it, my dear. We can use crystal make this technique. Here. For 6 millimeter, the wire, the beads 6 millimeter. Okay. Wrapper. Okay, so 1 bead, we can put more. So we use it as a labradorite bead. We finish it. Okay, 1, 2. We make a bracelet to finish this one. Use the 0.4. Hello, Bobby. Happy to see you, my friends. It's fast making because it's a bracelet. Okay. Here. Go slow. Go up. Tight. Make a loop at the end here. Here. Again. Here. Hello, Julia. Thank you. Hi, Haza. Happy to see you. Okay. Then up and up. See here. Then again. Okay, is this work if we put a few beads together? You mean like several different beads? We can try. Let's test. Everything can be tried, right? Okay. why not try here? Just cut the wire longer. Here, then we put the 2 beads together. Here and here, another chain. Okay, 3 beads and attach chain. We try 2 beads first. Hello, Kochika. Okay. It's interesting by this new technique here. Tight. After tight, same as the way before, we need to repeat. Here. Yeah, so cool how you can see it go slow. Yes. Okay. Then wrapper. Here. This way. 2 beads. 2 beads, okay. Yeah. I test here. It's not easy to be drop away. Yeah. Okay, then here we can attach the clasp and the chain. Okay. Close. Hi, I guess I don't think about it. I just always hit. Don't even know it was there. Screw too, yes. I think 3 beads also work. Yeah. If this way, like 2 beads work, then 3 beads also work, no problem. Hi, Bobby. Happy to see you. Yeah, happy to see you. Okay, the bracelet. The bracelet with the labradorite beads.